Good morning, dear friends. Today we again here came for discussion of general. Here we will talk about the GIT. GIT is very important part of our body, gastrointestinal system, because food digestion is there. We will eat through mouth and passes through anus. So it is very important opening in our body. There are two openings which are correlated to hair each other, mouth and anus, and the important constituents are absorbed, taken by our body as a form of food. you know as the mouth we will eat, there is saliva that will dissolve the food, and mastication with teeth, and they will form bolus, and bolus are taken through the esophagus, through larynx. As you know, pharynx and larynx, these are the connected. Glossitis is there, and as the food pipe or esophagus will swallow the food and send to the stomach. Second part, that is stomach, very very important. In stomach there are three part: fundus body part and pyloric part. Fundus main part, body part, in between their liberation of HCl from oxygentic cells or parietal cell, and they will digest protein food and break down in small pieces, and this food is next by churning here will be goes to the small intestine by pyloric wall. Pyloric wall sent, there are three part of a small intestine: duodenum 2.5 centimeter, jejunum, and ileum is very coiled, highly coiled part that is very lengthy. Total small intestine is nearly about 5.5 meter long, in which duodenum is very short, 2.5, and jejunum second, and ileum is the biggest part, highly coiled. Food is gone to the duodenum, there different juices and enzymes are secreted, mainly bile juice, bile pigments are come from the gallbladder. Pancreatic juice come from the different pancreatic system, and isolate insulin is also come. And here other sphincter of body is very important here, and then they will first digest the food and give medium alkaline. There is chymotrypsinogen, or trypsinogens will be converted in chymotrypsin and trypsin, and they will digest the food. Then the maximum food is absorbed from here and goes through portal circulation to the liver, and liver to the then blood circulation. This is portal system, and remaining part will goes to the large intestine. Again, large intestine is again divided in three part: ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon. And there is cecum also, there is house of biosymbiotic bacteria that will digest the harmful food. And there is appendix part, that is vestibule, now that is not found in our body. Next, the food is remaining here for 5 to 6 hours, and then finally goes to the anus and exited out from the body. So this is your GIT system. What is peristaltic motion? As when there is you can say you want to urge, then there is moment of peristaltic will go from the start from the stomach or esophagus, and then you will defecate your matter that is stored in ileum, in sorry in the last part of descending colon of large intestine. Here, the important food is absorbed in the form of particles from the intestine, And intestine, there are three layers in this. Serosa layer is outer layer and mucosa layer is inner layer, and this secrete different type of juices and different types of enzymes here. Okay, bye.